What if I told you that financial freedom isn't about how much money you have, but about your ability to create it? We often hear the term financial literacy, which is basically having the skills to make smart decisions with your money. It's what helps you get ahead in life. Many people dream of financial independence. That point where you are not tied to a job, you dislike or dependent on others for money. But there's another level to this. Financial confidence. This isn't about your bank balance. It's about your belief in your own ability to generate wealth. Most people live with a scarcity mindset, thinking money is hard to come by. That's a myth. The world is overflowing with money, but it only flows to those who understand the rules of the game. Think of money like a sport. Once you learn the rules and play by them, you can master your financial life. In this video I am going to share the 4 most important rules of money that form the foundation of financial literacy and confidence. These principles will completely elevate your money game, but only if you're dedicated to learning them. Everything I'm about to share is completely free. I don't sell courses or webinars. All I ask is that if you find this valuable, you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It's fascinating, isn't it? We have all the world's information at our fingertips, yet over 90% of people remain financially illiterate. Take my friend Peter. He gets his paycheck, about $1,700 after taxes. Instead of investing or saving, he spends it on barbecues with friends and other things that don't add value to his future. Are you a Peter? It's more common than you think. But here is the good news. With a few simple changes in habits and a shift in mindset, almost anyone can build wealth. You won't find a single wealthy person who is financially ignorant, unless they just got lucky with an inheritance or the lottery. But event and statistics showed that 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years. Why? Because they have the money, but not the knowledge. They make poor decisions and lose it all. If you want lasting wealth, not just a temporary windfall, you need to get financially educated. And since our schools don't teach this, it's up to you to learn it yourself. So, with all this information being so accessible, why aren't more people learning about finance? There are 2 main reasons. First, conventional wisdom is often wrong. Most people are programmed with a mindset of scarcity. Think about the phrases you heard growing up. Money doesn't grow on trees, or money is the root of all evil. These beliefs unconsciously stop us from pursuing wealth. Another big one is the fear of debt. People demonize it because they don't understand it. You have to stop listening to people who aren't financially successful themselves. Would you learn to ski from someone who's never been on a mountain? Of course not. So, learn about money from those who have mastered it. The second reason is our comfort zone and self-esteem. To attract wealth, you must first believe you deserve it. You have to see yourself as a successful, confident person. This self-image is what gives you the courage to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks. A very successful person once said, "Most people aren't successful because they are afraid of success." It's true. To start a business, you might need to take out a loan, which is a scary thought for many. But confidence and charisma are key ingredients for wealth. You must work on your mindset before you can work on your money. Now that we understand the importance of this, let's dive into the 4 rules of financial literacy. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. You will never get truly rich working for someone else. You have to invest. There are many options, like stocks, real estate, or your own business. But the single most important investment you can make is in yourself. Invest in your brain. It's your ultimate money-making machine. Stay updated on everything relevant to your industry. Next, invest in your business. A business is like a car. It needs fuel to run. You have to reinvest money into things like marketing and product development to keep it growing. Then there's real estate. The concept is simple. Buy low, sell high. You find undervalued properties, fix them up, and sell them for a profit as the market rises. And finally, stocks, which are small pieces of a company. Buying a stock gives you a claim to a portion of that company's profits. But be warned. All investments carry risk, and there are many scams out there. Do your research, consult with professionals, and never, ever put your money into something you don't fully comprehend. Rule number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. This might be controversial, but the power of using debt is massively underrated. There's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is borrowing for things you can't afford, like some student loans that cripple people for years. Be very careful. Good debt, on the other hand, is a tool. It's debt you take on with a clear plan to pay it back, and it's used to acquire an asset that'll make you money, like a loan to start a profitable business. Used wisely, debt can accelerate your path to wealth. Rule number 3. Think rich. This means seeing yourself as wealthy and acting accordingly. Now, I'm not saying to live recklessly beyond your means, but they will. Live below your means advice can be limiting. Do you really think skipping a few Starbucks coffees will make you a millionaire? Instead of pinching pennies, focus on expanding your means. Develop new skills that will earn you more money to support the lifestyle you desire. This mindset shift will open your eyes to opportunities you never saw before. Rule number 4. Develop skills to acquire assets. Remember, assets put money in your pocket while liabilities take money out. Your brain is your biggest asset. Focus on developing high-income skills that bring massive value to the marketplace and, in turn, make you a lot of money. Instead of just working for a paycheck, learn how to create value from scratch. Figure out what you're good at and develop that skill to generate the resources you need to acquire more and more assets. That's all for today. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.